In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to review your account usage status logs against your subscription caps in Typeform. Understanding your usage is essential for managing your workflow and ensuring you do not hit any unexpected limits during your active billing cycle. To get started, navigate to your main dashboard and look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see your user profile avatar circle sitting there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up the primary account menu. Once the drop-down menu appears, you need to select the option for settings from the visible layout. This will bring you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your profile and organization. Now, direct your attention to the navigation sidebar located on the left-hand side of the interface. Under the section dedicated to your organization settings, you will find a specific tab labeled Plan and Billing. Click on that link to proceed to your financial and subscription overview. Once the page loads, look at the main Canvas workspace in the center of the screen. You should easily locate a dedicated section called Usage. This area is designed to provide you with a comprehensive look at your current activity. Here you will find clear progress meters that track your real-time status against your specific subscription limits. These meters update dynamically to show you how many responses or other features you have used compared to your active billing cycle caps. By checking this area regularly, you can stay informed about your account health and decide if you need to adjust your plan based on your current volume. It is a very simple way to keep your projects running smoothly without any interruptions. Just follow these steps whenever you need a quick update on your current Typeform usage statistics.